Okay, let's start with product basics. In product basics, we will cover what products are, what they do, who the product manager is, how product manager manages the products, and what distinguishes good product manager from the bad product manager. Let's start with the definition of a product. Product is actually a pretty complex concept, and as I promised, I will try to simplify it, but in a complex way, the product can be described as an intersection of so many different things. It's an intersection of technology, business constraints, design, utilities, and like everything you can think of. So that is not simple. How do we simplify it? Like, my best way to simplify it is for any definition of the product you can imagine, the product always needs to solve some kind of a problem for the customer. So if it solves a problem for the customer, then it's a product. If it does not, then probably it may not be a product, it may be something else. The key person behind the product and the key person behind making product successful is a product manager. So who is the product manager and what is product manager role in the company? So what is product manager responsible for? Simplest way of thinking of product manager is a CEO of a product. Just like a CEO of a company drives company success, the product manager is the ultimately responsible person for any success of the product, even when there is lots of factors which are not in his direct control or in her direct control. Product manager is the person who needs to be really strong in a broad set of skills. Like, the product manager needs to be super sharp, needs to be able to manage product and process in a quantitative fashion, but also needs to be able to go and talk to different functions in the organization. For example, it could be accounting, customer support, or sales. Each of those relationships are critically important for product manager to develop and to maintain. Now, let's try to talk about what is good product manager, what is bad product manager, and what is in general success for the product manager. This topic is pretty mysterious and complex, and I honestly have one good recommendation for you. You should just go read the article by Ben Horowitz on good product manager versus bad product manager, and I guess it's going to explain the difference way better than I can do. But let me instead focus on the key aspects and key features or key traits of what Ben Horowitz calls a good product manager. So product manager does have to be CEO of a product. You need to be responsible, you need to be driving the product forward. You are the lead. Yeah, so what differentiates good product manager from a bad product manager? The best way I could explain it is just basically send you to the article by Ben Horowitz on good product manager, bad product manager, and instead I will give you a short summary of this article. So basically, the good product manager needs to be a CEO of a product. What does it mean? You need to be responsible for every single aspect of success of the product. You need to clearly communicate the goals and the vision for the product. You need to take care of your customers and develop customer relationships. And you need to be able to clearly communicate to everyone in your company about every single aspect related to your product. Now that we covered all the product basics, such as what products are, who product manager is, and what differentiates good product manager from a bad product manager, we're ready to move forward to definition of success. Let's go.